Hi there, it's Dr. Janice Powis, integrative audiologist, meditation teacher, and founder of Mind Over Tinnitus. When we start to address the root cause of our tinnitus, and we're starting to disrupt the cycle of tinnitus suffering through meditation and mindfulness practices, it's wonderful, so wonderful. And especially when we're just really excited and motivated and seeing great results. And the interesting thing to share with you is that, working with any healthcare guide or doctor or coach, they can give you the tools and the knowledge, or even when you're doing your own research and finding things that are working for you. You can have the tools and knowledge, but one thing that someone once said that I think is so true and important to remember is 80% of the healthcare and results happens outside of the doctor's office, because it's all about the consistency, the daily practice, and your mindset. And we can will ourselves to do those things, but only to a certain extent. Because studies have shown that there is such a thing as willpower fatigue and decision fatigue. So if you're just relying on sustaining these practices on your own, it's just harder, much harder, because we actually are wired for thriving in a community. So going way back into primal times, being a part of a very supportive group literally meant life or death. If you weren't part of that group, you weren't going to survive if you were just exposed and not protected by the group. So we're just wired to be supported by community. And in modern times, unfortunately, we can survive, meaning I guess we can live alone and go to the grocery store and buy food and live, but it's not optimal. So we're not going to be living optimally, mentally, emotionally, physically. So when you're engaging in any kind of improvement or going through a healing journey, your tinnitus healing journey, for you to continue to have sustained success, really having that team in place or your allies is so important. You've got to have that community, build that community. It is so, so key. Going at it alone is, it's lonely, right? And from a practical and now scientific point of view, it's ineffective. So finding that support system is really, really key. So if any of this resonates with you, feel free to comment, or if you have any questions at all, I would love for you to share them. Or if you know someone who can benefit from what I've just shared with you today, please share it.